Hey, first graders, this is Mrs. Sassafras here. Like we already talked about, we know about three color families. One of the color families is called the warm family. It has red, orange, yellow, and pink in that family. These are the colors you find in the hot, hot sun, a hot fire, or a sunset after a really warm day. So all those colors are warm. There's another color family called the cool family, and that has blue, green, and purple. Just like cool water, nice cold grass, and a chilly cold night sky. The last color family is called the neutral family. This one has brown, black, and white in it. Those are the colors of the earth, like rocks and dirt. And they don't make you feel warm or cold like the other color families. We are going to do a drawing all about the warm and cool colors. You will need a horizontal piece of paper, some oil pastels, that's what those are called, we've used them before, and a pencil with an eraser. Step 1, as usual, is write your name and your code, and then flip it over so you have a nice surface to draw on. Now again, keep your paper horizontal, not vertical. Side to side, horizontal. Very good. Step 1 of drawing our sun and moon is a circle that's nice and big in the middle of our paper. To draw a circle, you might want to practice in the air just a couple times first, and then lightly drop your pencil and trace around and around until you're happy with the shape. I like that, but it's very scratchy and messy, so I'm going to draw a nicer circle along the scratchy one. You can always erase and try again and again until you like it. Just make sure that your circle is big. Half of it is going to be the sun, and half of it is going to be the moon. The next step is to split up the background with two lines. Warm colors here, cool colors here. The next step is a little bit tricky. We're going to draw the face of the moon with one line. Watch carefully and draw along because this is in slow motion. We're going to start with our pencil at the part where the line hits the circle. And we're going to draw a curved line. This is the forehead and nose of the moon. Finish the nose with the line that curves the other way. Check it out. Do you see a nose from the side there? The last step is just a curved line that goes to the edge of the circle. Again, if you don't like it, you can just erase it and try it all over again. That's why we're using pencil right now. I want my nose to be a little bit bigger and straighter than I made it at first. So I just erased it and drew it how I wanted it to look. Next, we're going to add a face to both the moon and the sun. We're going to add 2 eyes and 2 mouths. Eyes are drawn with football shapes, really. to keep it simple. And since the moon comes out at night, I'm going to draw an eyelid on his eye so it looks like he's sleepy. Over here, I'm going to draw another eye for the sun. I'm drawing a smaller eyelid to make the sun look more awake, because the sun comes out in the daytime when we're all awake. And I'm also going to add eyelashes to this eye. The poor sun doesn't get a nose. It's blocked by the moon's nose. So we're going to go down to the mouth. You can draw two different types of mouths, one for the moon and one for the sun, or you can keep them both the same. The next step is really fun. After you draw some eyebrows for your sun and moon, you get to decorate the background. You can use all different types of lines. You can add patterns, polka dots, stars. So I decided to use zigzag lines on the sunny side and wavy lines on the moon side, and then some fun polka dots and stars. I am loving this. I can't wait to see what you put in your backgrounds. After this, it's our favorite part, always. We're going to make this drawing pop really nicely by outlining the whole entire drawing with a dark black Sharpie. Hold down your paper with one hand, see? And then slowly, carefully, outline the whole thing. Now, I know you don't have time to watch me carefully and slowly outline it, so I sped it up for you. Wow, it's looking lovely. The drawing is definitely popping, don't you think? Now it's time to color the small details. Only the eyes and the mouth if you drew lips on your sun or moon. Those are the only two things that we're going to color today with Sharpies. So, I have decided to color the sun's eye blue and the lips a fun purple color. And the last thing I'm going to use the Sharpies for is to color in the moon's eye, because the moon doesn't have lips, so it doesn't need to be colored. Okay, we are done with the Sharpies. Wow, that was quick. We're going to switch to oil pastels, a very fun thing to color with. When you're coloring, you are only going to color the sunny side with warm colors, and you're only going to color the moon side with cool colors. Neutral colors can be used on either side. So let me show you what colors can go on the sunny side. Red, orange, yellow, pink, and the light orange. Those are all the warm colors we have in our oil pastel palette. The cool colors are light and dark green, light and dark blue, purple. It's hard to tell that this is purple, but it is. And that's it for the cool colors. Those will be used on the moon side. In the middle, I'm going to put brown, white, and black, the neutral colors. So stick to those rules. Let's start with the warm side, the sunny side. And here we go. Put your cool colors away. You're not going to use them on the sunny side. I'm going to just pick yellow to start with on the face. And I'd like to talk to you about something real quick. I want to tell you why we are learning about the warm and cool colors. Remembering what the three color families are helps you know what colors mix together and make nice colors. The warm colors can be mixed together any way you want, and it'll always turn out to be a beautiful, bright color. Look here, I am mixing together yellow and pink to make a really bright, beautiful orange color. I could add red or orange to this and it would look great. If I added any of the cool colors to this face and mixed it together, it would turn into a very dark brown color. And that's not what we want in this fun artwork. We want bright colors. So that's why we're learning about the warm and cool colors. All the warm colors mix together really nicely. And they even can mix with the neutrals. All of the cool colors mix together very nicely too, along with the neutrals. I'm going to take another minute here to tell you how to peel your oil pastel if the tip is getting too short to use. Find the edge of the paper and pick at it with your fingernail, and then tear off a little piece. That should go in the garbage for sure. And then look, it's real nice and ready to color with again. I'm going to continue with the warm colors just for another minute or so, blend them together real nicely, and we'll see what it looks like. Holy biscuits, that looks amazing. The warm side of the paper really does give you a warm feeling, doesn't it? The red, the pink, the orange, and the yellow, wow. But now we're done with warm colors, totally and completely. Let's put them away. Bye-bye, warm colors. It's time to work with the cool colors. Remember, the cool colors are blue, purple, and green. And we're also allowed to mix in the neutral colors. So I'm using white for the stars here. And I'm making sure to not mix in any warm colors, or else it'll become a brown, dark, muddy mixture. And I want it to be bright colors. Ooh, so there you have it. The right side is the sunny side with the hot, warm colors. And the moon side only has the cold colors, like a cool night sky. I hope that this project helped you learn about the warm, cool, and neutral color families. Remember, the color families mix together nicely. Have a great day. Can't wait to see what you do. Bye-bye.